This video I will show you how can you remove your Google account from your Google photo. You can see here, if I click here remove account, then this account will be removed from my Google account or Google Photos. So for removing your account from Google Photos, you have to simply come here on your Google photo. You can see here I am on my Google photo. After come here Google photo, you can see here your profile icon. You have to simply click here your profile icon. After clicking here profile icon, you will can see here top down option. You have to simply click here, and then you will can see here manage account on this device. You have to simply click on it. After clicking on that, you will can see here this kind of interface. You have to simply click on your you can see your Google account. After that, you will can see here remove account. You have to simply click here remove account, and then you have to simply click here OK. After clicking OK, your account will be removed from your Google Photos and also from your phone. But if you want to only remove your account from Google Photos, not from your phone, there have another process. So for that reason, you have to simply come here Google Photos, and then you will can see here your profile icon. You have to simply click here profile, and then you have to click here top down, and then you will can see here use without an account. You have to simply click here. After clicking here use without an account, you will can see here your account have been removed and there have no account. You can see here this is a empty icon. If you click here, then if you log in into your account, then the account will come. But here you see there have no account available in this page, as you using your Google Photos without any account. So that's how you can remove your Google account from your phone or Google Photos, and you can use without an account your Google Photos. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.